Hello guys, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid again. Today I came again with one more video about Canon Pixma printers. If you have Canon Pixma G3411, G3415 or any kind of ink tank model, okay, and if your printer is showing that error on the screen E15cb, it will display the error like with the numbers. First it will appear E, then 1, then 5, then C, then B. Okay, this error means that printer is not recognizing the cartridges. There is an issue with the cartridges. So how to fix this problem? This printer was showing before the same error. I just fixed that a while ago, but I want to show you what was the issue during the cleaning process, or maybe sometime if you open the cartridges multi times. So if these electronic parts behind the cartridge became dirty, these are electronic points that connects with the ink cartridge inside. There's a cartridge that will place the cartridges. So you have to use any kind of contact cleaner, uh, you can use thinner, not hard thinner, little amount of petrol or any kind of good cleaner. Just clean these points, okay, carefully. If one of points is dirty more, you can use the tweezer and you can clean it one by one. Okay, same time you have to open the front cover. Now the printer is printing cleaning process, that's why I cannot lift it up. You have to find the points in the carriage. There are small points that touch on these points. You should clean also these points with the help of any brush, toothbrush, old one or anything, and place some contact cleaner also. So when these points will contact with the carriage points, then you will not find the error more. Okay guys, the error code is E15C. Make sure that the error code is E15CB. C mean color, B mean black. It means both the characters are unable to read the printer. So that's why it shows the error. So hopefully you understand it. If ever you found this problem, you have to clean these points. Okay, these points you must clean. Fine. In case you require any further information about any kind of Canon Pixma ink tank printer or normal printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Take care. All the best.